We thank the Lord. Oh. It's a beautiful day. Yes.
It's a beautiful day. You don't know the song?
No.
Oh, baby, I think I want to marry you. You know that song?
Oh, God, why you just join things together like this?
No, this guy now. You don't know, you go say you don't know the song.
No, I think I want to marry you. It's different from the way it takes that.
No, it's a beautiful day. Oh, darling, I think I'm gonna marry you. Now the song with that, now say this one. You know, you go say you don't know how they do say this thing. See your teeth. You don't carry lipstick. Put for teeth. You can do that like this, man. You don't stain the whole teeth. Hey, whoa. Hey, oh. So now all these 9 men they suck.
See.
You know they don't come out. All these 9 men they suck. Just they collect poison. We could all wake up one day just say,
excuse me,
we're not moving forward in our life.
You get some.
Just they put lipstick up and down, put makeup here. They make up every. Where do they do makeup? Self and men they fear this.
See.
I still won't get carried this.
The lip gloss where you put for see as your lips they shine.
Because of my
lips. Like you drink ororo. See, like you drink granite oil.
You know to shine.
They shine. Why you can't they clean am?
Na call you.
I just want to tell you that not be all lipsticks they stain. All right, some they stay. Come out.
So your own now can be waiting.
Mine stay.
You don't stain again.
It's called.
That the evidence of someone that have rabbit tooth. When you get teeth like this,
I'm telling you, those
your
two
teeth always
like
they
this two front
swing for your lips. Those two for front, that they cause the problem. If you get broken teeth like my own now, you could avoid the feel. You see yourself? No, they bother yourself. You go continue like this till the show finish.
No.
Una welcome. You are welcome. My wife is here. Finally escaped somebody. She run on Friday. They come and miss you. So now don't carry and come back. You know, after she have baffle. You know.
After she have what?
Baffle. That's Igbo.
They can't really see anything on my face. The only thing visible is my lipstick.
Open your teeth for a minute. See.
No.
You don't stay the whole teeth. See, wait till I wish I could just take you selfie now, make you see something. Where you go at lipstick, you go collect. You can't be like vampire, go suck blood. See how your lips are red. Now this one, my mother they rub that time they're small. Yeah. They can rub all this kind of thing.
You know, so that time when we small, if you rub red lipstick or you put red cutters,
and a red look,
they go say, you don't know that it's Auntie of the Night that used to do that?
Hey!
What's wrong with you? But these days, when I want to paint my nails, do you have pepper red?
Wow. Pepper,
tomato red.
Pepper red, you call
Aye.
Pepper red.
Hot red.
Wow.
Yes.
But why, which
red.
Which feeling they give on us women when I use it? Because this red be like saying an order for women. Because,
make I tell you, let me tell you well, according to what I think, for red lipsticks for women, it get us to go do the makeup put on. It go make you look classy and not too loud. Despite the fact that the lipstick loud. You know why? Because every other thing for your face go they calm. Your clothes go they calm. The only thing we go they pronounce for your body, now the lipstick. God can't help you, can't get fine lips.
Now then I want to talk now.
God can't help you, not be oversized lips. So some red girls, lipstick no good for oversized lips.
You get one girl I know that year for my streets. Dolakpo. You understand? My dear, that girl lips, be like they carry 2 pillows from bed.
So don't do that.
Oh, she said she knows. She talk out. I say, come, Dolakpo. Not a rub red lipstick for your whole lip. It was really like this.
You can't do like this. No, they find full lip. You come like this. You come like this.
From beginning of streets, we just see Dolakpo for the end of the street. Because I'm red, because they see from distance, because of the lips. But those kind of lips not supposed to. Oh my sister. But those kind of lips not supposed to carry this kind of red because it's too loud.
Not be red lipstick. Go for those kind of ones. Something like a nude lipstick with a bit of brown lining.
We call it like in color complexion.
The dark lining it go reduce the illusion. It go reduce the illusion. Then you can put one small one. We go just show for me.
That girl lips don't reduce illusion.
No, it go reduce.
Illusion every day.
If you get better,
you go reduce. You put that mouth, make it even try to small. It go see big past your own. Oh, that guy. Then they carry apple, give him say, let's share apple. You just take a bite.
They chop am. They chop the full apple. Oh my God. Moko go break when they come by your weekend.
Our name, Mayowa, and me Abi Ogbolo. Una welcome. How una weekend?
It didn't really matter much. One is Ogbolo, man is Mayowa.
Somebody on the seat.
You understand? It don't really matter.
Una go no.
After all, you say you twerk at twerk. You say you roll waist, I roll waist.
You say you make up.
I make up.
You say you rub lipstick.
You do afro, I do afro. You wear high heel, I wear high. You wear bumper short, I bumper. What's the difference between us?
You are a woman, I'm a woman.
It didn't really matter much. So thank you. Thank you very much. I mean, you cannot come and go and die. I have to live my life.
Love yourself just the way you are.
Love yourself just the way you are. I'm not fat, it's okay. My legs are skinny, it's okay.
Yes.
My red lipstick, they stain my teeth, it's okay.
Yes, I'm not get chest. Even though they work on it.
We dey come back right now after this for Yarn the Yarn.
No mess up. All right, welcome back to Paddy Paddy. On this other segment of the show, I want to tell you that on this other segment of the show is the one that we are calling Yarn the Yarn. Inside Yarn the Yarn, we're going to give you information and story about things them we consign people.
All right, thank you very much. Go back to your real voice now. Start. 1, 2, 3, action.
California homeless man. Hello? Now, this particular man is not a beggar, even though he's homeless and he stay for front of a particular store. You know why I say he's not a beggar? I will tell you why. He's been homeless for 2 years. This Sacramento man, he refused to collect money and arms from people. Instead, the man, they print out in CV. If they beg one other place, like that way they agree and they use the remainder of their paper, take print out CV. If they print out in CVs, they give them to people. They help them, they push their carts. They help them, they do some kind of things for the mall when in they stay. If you get load, you go help you carry and go your car. Because he believes, say, he no one beg. He believes, say, for everything when he gets, he must to work for him. Okay. And the guy don't work for different places before. Not just situations now in change. So the guy, they always work out with his CV, the places where when he don't work, in ID card for you to know, say, a legal citizen, and he really wants to work. So, you know, they take money from people, you go say, I beg, this is where you go give me money. Take my CV. Help me find work if you really want to help me. Now, if somebody can carry and put for inside CBS Sacramento News, you understand? Carry and put for there. Say, okay, this now man we're ready to work. Anybody will get the heart, we get the we need them for in qualification, making come help them to work. I mean, it's very touching.
People should learn.
It's very touching.
Maybe people learn from the whole thing. If like one picture I put for Instagram some days back of one girl no get hand.
Yeah.
But she use her leg, they right.
They right.
So nobody really get excuse, really. You understand? This guy now, he no one beg. He say, okay, instead of begging, make I let him know, say, okay, I need to work for this thing. Naturally, God creates every man to get that thing inside the body to work, to one work. You understand? So really, you don't really get, even though once in a while, say the begging thing will try come, say, okay, my thing's not too bad.
Yeah.
You know, but at the same time, make work be the first thing we go listen down for your head, not be begging.
Yes.
You understand? Because most people actually just do that, just lay back.
Because the man said for everything when he gets, he won't work for him, so he go know the value and he no go want enter crime.
Exactly.
You know? And that's an amazing thought.
Now the best way to take appreciate if money can come your hand, people where money they come their hand through begging, then they pick up.
Yes.
Because you don't work for them. You understand?
So you don't know the importance.
Yeah, you don't know the value of work. You know. But anyway, good one for the guy. And I hope say last year, even though now you both guys somewhere, tomorrow go become great person. And
you know, say this kind of thing now, that are the difference between person girl will make legit money and the one will not make legit money.
Yes.
Because the one will make legit money, she they put on for plan.
Yes.
Even the one will not make legit money, she they plan them, but the plan no they solid, secure, reach the other one.
Of course.
You understand?
I'm blessing day with legit money.
You did with legit money.
So you know guy won't take
you just like to say whether you legit it or you didn't legit it. Time shall tell.
All right. So right now, lipstick. Anyway, now for my own gist now, still for the American place like this. Now, so you go now, they don't carry everything. Nobody say this one with keep bingo for house here. The only thing that they do now is they drag food with human being. Most dogs for this side, now just to keep for house, you make eba, they shop. You cook asaro, they shop. You do spaghetti, they shop. You cook soup, they go lick. You put tea, they go drink. They get human being sickness, they get headache, they get diarrhea, they get different things. Some they die of high blood pressure. Now, for both side, for America, police then they get some certain trained dogs. Then when they find out drugs where people they hide for their houses. And one particular man, in name now Oga James, Mr. James, he get 14-year-old daughter, and he come dey look say come. He come dey suspect one kind say be like say in daughter don dey shook hand for some kind things, onto things like igbo, some kind marijuana, heroin, cocaine, so be like say the guy don dey shook hand for some kind things. But he say no be kind papa wey be say he go dey find out wetin pikin dey do. But one day, just dey waka pass the daughter room, you just notice say come, one kind smell dey come out from that place. Now I say okay, no wahala. As the guy go school the next day, now the man come call one particular company where their dogs they sabi go find all these things. Now they carry the dog come go through the man room and everything. Come go through the girl room, they go through the motor, go through the girl room, find. Finally, you can't see for where they keep makeup. The girl hide some kind of igbo things there for that place.
With the help of the dog.
And the dog then can't find them out. So the man can say, hey, he pay now. Hey, yeah. Say in 14-year-old daughter.
Only
14, not 40. 14, not 24. 14-year-old daughter don't they jail, don't they hide, don't they collect poly, the man can say, hey, that get come back. Now the man will carry the dog come say, in don't see these kind of things where. Say not be shouting, go solve the problem. Say if the girl come back, just sit the girl down and two of them go just talk, see how you go take help the girl. Because if you go shout now, from there now the girl feel fine way. Waka can go join the main gang there for outside.
Say this thing. You know why they surprise me? This is where they talk, so you don't surprise me at all. I will tell you what. There's a particular place for inside the city of Brazil, Sao Paulo, for inside there where they call Crackland. Now that particular place, all people do there from morning to night and get stoned and get high. Some of them they pass out. Some of them they leave house. They come that place. Children as little as seven.
Oh, wow.
A lot of people there with belly, as then they born the pikin are naturally already addicted
to heroin. You don't high already because your mama
they do
things naturally.
Yes, and all of those things where they do. And nothing where the government will do about them because it be like a city on your own.
On your own.
People they pass out. If a pikin run come out for house, go that side. If it be say don't follow you. So you see, that's now why I would always tell people for here, not be everything be beaten. Not everything be shouting.
No.
Sometimes all they need is your love and your help. Really.
Yes.
Because they need help. Because most of them, carry them go rehab, say they no go sit down.
Now attention, most of them they find attention, help. Most of them they find help, most of them they find... Sometimes, the reason why some people they go for that thing, some people, aside from peer pressure and everything, some people they find something else to take past time.
To fill a void.
You understand?
To fill a
some
void,
people, they will say, they like to go, they buy shoe. They like to go, they buy clothes. Like yours. So the way some people could react to something what they try feel for their life, not to do something. So some go, they do it the bad way, some they do it the good way. Yes, and some people will just go find something they smoke up and down.
Because I've been want even talk this thing shortly before we go break in less than 1 minute. I want to talk this thing, tell you, say, see, for this world what we did, so parents, make we know they deceive ourselves. 3 things control the world: money, drugs, and sex for young children. I need you to understand that. So you need to understand, say, for every young teenager where you get from the ages of 9 years old, there's a possibility that they are either doing drugs, they're either having sex or doing different things for money. So we beg you in God's name, when you notice these things, help your children.
Not they
compare that you're very useless.
Yeah, you're useless.
Help your children.
Your life. Look at you. You see yourself? You see yourself? Sometimes that shout alone, they go, okay.
Because what then they do from the ages of 10, my brother, it go shock you.
Train up a child in the way he shall grow, and when he grow up, you'll not depart from it.
My brother, sometimes they deviate, you bring them back.
Some self, you never even train them.
You never train them, don't they go? You bring them back.
Give us a break. When they come back. Woo! What would they for body school?
Again,
well, no go sip ororo, take fried chicken.
You
they
use
butter now. Just put butter on top.
Come fry.
Just fry. What thief chicken? God, we are sorry. Lord, we are sorry. On behalf of all those students for that school, we are sorry for all the foul. All the foul.
Any foul that goes astray.
Eh? All the allergy, they will thief. Instead of fat foul, they call it allergy. They're white. And so you just see, one day, allergy don't miss one. Allergy 1 don't go. Allergy 2 don't go. Allergy 3 don't go. Allergy 4 don't go. See, all the allergy go finish. Because say, hey.
Chai. All right, back to the matter. Still on top, paddy, yan. Now, one Russian church, you be like say people now don't they use prayer to pay debts. One Russian church, then they owe around $11,500 US. Ask me what thing happened.
Where in heaven?
Then go meet one construction company. Say make them help them come construct some kind heat absorption, something. They just want to construct something from inside the church. So the church, like I said, the church can't get some small financial difficulties, so they couldn't pay the remaining balance of $11,500 US. Now the owner of the carry them go court. As they can't carry them go court, the priest come, they say no verse, Oga, I beg, no verse. We go pay this thing. I don't know whether na God touch him, whether na the advantage of the past, I don't know. Now the people can say, okay, we go do it like this. Una go pray for us for our well-being. We go withdraw all the charges. Now the people can talk, say,
Now so?
Even the church say, They say yes. Because they can't ask the man, say, why you do that kind of thing? Say, because if you say the prayer where the church go pray for him, the benefits of him go plenty past that money where then they owe. Say if they realize, say it no reach for him to tarnish the image of the church because of that money. Say make the church they pray for him, make them pray for him as a payment of the debt.
Wow, wow!
I'm telling you.
If not that one, come Niger, you go see prayer. In fact, they go add deliverance joy. Whether with broom, with rope, or with 100 days fasting.
Yes.
Yeah. If you say it's such a quarrel like that for inside Nigeria, it go to make sense. So. Only me alone, now prayer warrior things.
He said the prayers will go out to our families and our deeds and our good works.
Aye.
Say the judge self shock.
Kneel down. Now. Hey. Take it. That's it. Prayer they slap us. That demon talking through you.
Take it. I say, I see two things to this thing. First of all, as much as it can sound funny, another one be say, for those of now we be Christians, we believe in God, you need to understand, say, sometimes God, they turn up for you. Because if it be say, they don't pray, say, God, how we want to pay this thing? Now you can't say, no worry. Look up to me.
No worry.
Let me supply
there will be a
needs.
miracle in that place.
That's
as you go forward, the person head will just turn upside down. Say, okay, know what will happen? If they owe me 50 million, but Oga Pastor, just they pray for me, I will command that 50 million. 50 million,
you understand? So it can only be some things. Some things are supernaturally unexplainable.
Hey,
you feel that? That is it.
Hey, he makes a way where there seems to be no.
Let's go.
Okay. For my own gist now. Now food matter be this one.
Chai.
Food Mara. The world first expired food supermarket don't open for inside Denmark.
I don't get it.
Bam! Inside Denmark. They don't open the first world's expired food supermarket.
I don't get.
For that side, no say for here, our own, when we stop to the chop food, now we don't spoil.
Yes.
You understand? Now we talk say the food don't expire.
Yes.
So we dey wait till we don't see moko. Some people they even see moko, they come out the top safe.
Yeah.
They call warm the remaining.
And we know they die.
And we know they die. Now be our own expired food, now be our own other side. But for like Denmark side of Obodo Yibo, once they don't say best before so and so.
Yeah.
After that time, now you know if you chop them again. But for you, they chop them. For that side, best before, or sometimes they will put date, expiry date, so and so date. You know, but now they come to say this thing don't make them, they waste too much food for inside Denmark. So now they don't come create one supermarket where they sell at least 30 to 50% lower than the regular stores them. You know, they sell food that they don't already term expired, but they never spoil. They sell them for that supermarket to take conserve some kind of food.
Yeah.
Because not be all their food is spoil. But I just say people that wake around come, this day too, now this thing will expire.
And they go sell them cheaper.
But they sell them cheaper. So inside Denmark, there, if you just enter that place, they say for that area, now if you see the whole area, they just rush this store.
They do
say, give me expired things.
He get one of my parties like that for the diaspora, for Jan side. It's very funny because he no go shop. You know when in the shop, they stock in fridge. When in done, they know, say, some of these products that remain 1 month to expire, 3 months to expire, 2 months, my guy go mall.
Just declare.
He go come pack the food there.
Declare.
Pack that. Pack them because he go buy them like 3 times lesser.
than the original price before. Yeah, so.
And na African guy, you understand? My guy go say, no worry.
He
go still put that for Instagram.
For a year.
Lunch,
man. Chills, baby. But for a year, that beans, he go stay 1 month for that cupboard.
No, they talk like that.
What they worry?
People will no do here. They
no.
They like
you get how you go take leave beans for inside cupboard. You can't bring it out like 1 week. It don't dry. It can't get crack. You can't put water small. Can't put small oil on top. Can't see put. You go do jiggy.
Don't
worry you. We dey chop things for here. We dey chop things. That because they strong. Where? No be Oyibo they do it there. But go for laugh. We dey come back right about now.
You know. The off me.
Naija. Hey, Chris Clan. Hey, yeah.
That's why I no good to dey play with the wrong thing. My brother, you want play, no go hold paper. No go hold paper. You go hold the thing. Wait there now.
Even phone itself, You know people don't throw phone inside toilet?
Yes, now.
Just say carry phone enter toilet.
You get one woman where we show for here too now. She hold her bag, hold dustbin something.
Hey.
She can't throw away the bag. Carry the dustbin something. Now when she did dog, she say, and the dustbin something don't already pass through pipe. Her bag don't already pass through pipe.
I want to go arrange the
collect them because the thing does scatter. All right, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy, at Wazobia Paddy, at Mayowa Ekpo, and at Ogbolo on top Instagram, at Mayowa Lambe, and at Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter. YouTube.com/Wazobia TV, search for Paddy. You go see us there, including Facebook.com/Wazobia TV, search for Paddy. And on top Instagram, follow the station at wazobiatv.ng.
As Wazobia TV NG. So, ladies and gentlemen, at this juncture, we go say good night, good day, good everything. Take care of yourself. We love you. And
oh yeah, and for people waiting for inside Nigeria, this particular period, I must tell you, is really hot. So do things them to keep yourself
wear singlet
or something. Try, because during this heat season, different things they happen. And then for children, rashes, all those things them.
Ladies,
so
wear singlet and just go out.
No, and then be careful. Clean up your children always. No, they leave one diaper where they wear since morning. You leave until night. I beg. Take care of your children and yourself.
Bath wear this period.
Because this period, people they smell.
People
they smell.
Please,
don't kill us. You understand? Yeah. Thank you.
Bless you. If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.